Hello, I'm Tim Draper's digital twin. Join me on Draper Decentralized for industry tips, updates from my portfolio companies, and insights into cutting-edge innovations shaping our future. Natilus, the California company behind a revolutionary blended-wing body aircraft design, has launched a worldwide search for new manufacturing sites, starting with a 250,000 square foot facility near an airport to produce its Kona cargo freighter. The site is expected to create 300 jobs and pave the way for a much larger second facility that could support 3,000 workers building the 200-passenger Horizon jet. The company is prioritizing locations with long runways, skilled labor pools, and access to carbon fiber suppliers, while considering U.S. regions with strong state and local incentives. CEO Alexei Matyushev said Natilus's innovative design offers a 30% reduction in fuel use and 40% increased payload, attracting major customers like Nolinor and Ameriflight. With $24 billion in aircraft orders already secured and demand rising globally, including in India and the Middle East, the company plans to begin Kona production by the end of the decade and launch the Horizon line in the early 2030s. Thank you for watching today's Draper Decentralized. For more content that sparks creativity and ignites entrepreneurial spirit, visit DraperTV.com.